Toyota MMT Semi-Automatic robot with 6-speed transmission and with hydraulic clutch actuator like this. So if you changing the clutch, so I offer to you to do bleeding air when the gearbox is down. Do the bleeding air like I did. Next video will like how I did, and it's perfect. I did it, I installed it back, and it's working, no problem, no need any bleeding air. It's fully done when the gearbox is down. Woo!
So, you can too. Oh, there. Everything is good. I will not twist it to the end. There is rust, and she will help me so that the air does not come in. It is done here. Honestly, in a way. That is, he comes here, but does not go anywhere. And when do you pump, for example, with a scanner, what does he do? He is Bijik here, and how is it as much as possible? Something remains there anyway. So, I'm doing this level now. This pipe was under the slope as if a little so that the air itself came out here. That is, I will unscrew this tank now, raise, so that the liquid is higher than this level. I'll put a transparent tube here, that is, the liquid will rise, and the air, in theory, will go out, and I will leave it at night. Let's see what comes of it. So, I am tilt. So. Oh, excellent. All. The pipe under the slope. This is. Dot. So, everything, pouring liquid, we are waiting for it to come from here. In principle, I immediately put a transparent tube here. Only the only thing, if the actuator, well, I twisted it, did not twist it? No, in my opinion, I did not twist. Maybe you have to remove the motor and the actuator to push it in the cylindrical to go this piston back. Now let's see if the liquid does not leave, then it came out a little there. Okay, let's definitely remove the motor, chisel, and we will twist the actuator, and we will see what will happen there. Listen, how I did not think right away. I don't have to shoot the motor, current. Everything, look, it will be even more competent. The liquid has gone. Black, let's drain it somewhere. Here in this jar. Mahai pluck here. Everything, now I. I squeeze the clutch. Now I have to leave the fluid from the tank. OP, left. Class.
Ушла. Класс.
Everything, we have the level of the tank here. So she cannot go out here. But she, in principle, goes there. Everything, there is a department. So, that's all. Let's try. I raise. About. And it went there, look. My idea is such that this is the level of liquid. Here it is a level, that is, here, but you see it went down. No, down it did not go. That's all. This is a tube. This is the level. That is, in theory. The liquid, the air from here must come out. The air goes upstairs and reach here. This is my idea. That is, the liquid is a level, the air comes out, the liquid goes there. The air comes out, the liquid goes there, but there are no burgules. Everything, I leave it like that at night. In the morning it will be visible. Once again, check that the liquid is coming here. I remove the tank down and the level.
Вот смотри, я убираю бачок вниз. И уровень.
And the level also goes down. Now I will raise the tank. OP went up. Here, the bottom is went. Once. Tail up. The level went up. In theory, the air should come out. But so far I have not seen a single bubble. I leave everything like that.
Все оставляю так.
Or maybe there is too small a hole in this, in the sarpoon, and the air cannot exit. Okay, let it be so. If anything, I then pump with a syringe. No, not all I came up with. I have to put it. Look, come on. Now the air will go. I will press the bearing. There. Look. Ah, stop. Bobby upstairs. Op. Oh, suit. Look. Air, air, air. Let's see what is there. I understand. Look. I will be now. Pressed, squeezed, let go.
Отпустил.
Again. Pressed, squeezed, let go.
Зажал. Отпустил.
The liquid from the tank has gone.
Так.
OP, squeezed.
Зажал.
Op.
Опа. Так,
So,
пусть
let the
туда
level
пойдет.
leave.
Вот
So
так.
now
Сейчас
I'm
я
pumping
подключаю, она
everything.
будет
It will be
подключена.
pumped.
Сейчас
Now
я
the
буду
level will
подключать.
drop.
Всё,
Everything goes
всё,
back to
всё.
the tank. Let's
Давай,
press the air. I
нажимаю.
press the click, 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 click pressing.
Воздух. Нажимаю, 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 нажимаю. До
He
конца
almost
нажал.
pressed it, squeezed,
Зажал.
let go. The liquid from the tank left.
Оп. Жидкость с бачка ушла.
Let go
Отпустил
here.
здесь.
Let the level leave.
Идет. Сейчас
Now the
я
level will leave. Look.
Сейчас
Now
я
this
буду
liquid goes back
нажимать.
to the tank.
Я
I
буду
will do
делать так,
so until
чтобы
there is
было
air from
возможно.
there.
И
And
всё.
that's it. Chick,
ушла.
left.
Так,
I
нажимаю.
press the bearing. Pressed.
Нажал.
Pressed,
Нажал,
pressed,
нажал. До
pressed,
конца
op.
нажал.
Pressed it to the end. There was air. Wait.
Зажал.
Squeezed.
Оп.
Op.
Ой,
Oh,
блин.
damn it.
Так,
So
давайте
let's correct
проверяем.
everything in theory. I don't need this height. Everything can be pumped up and so pumped up.
Все, можно и так прокачать.
Come on
Давайте
again.
азот
Let's add
добавляем
the
жидкости.
liquid.
Только
Only it
здесь
will
всё
go
будет
here
сюда.
now.
А здесь
Here the
надо
level will fall
туда
now. No,
вернуть.
we must return. That's it, like that. So, the liquid is normal. Come on a little, a little, a little. Everything. The level. Look, chick, here is the level. He must leave. Yes, it leaves. That's it.
Так,
So, press.
нажимаю.
I
Нажал,
pressed.
по пузырьку.
Oops.
О, пошел
Bubbles.
воздух.
OP. Air went. I
Держал.
hold. He
Зажал.
squeezed. Let go. The liquid left. Let go here.
Жидкость ушла. Отпустил здесь.
Come
Давай
on,
назад
back the
жидкость.
liquid. Now she will leave here.
Вперед. Оп,
OP.
ушла.
Left.
Давай.
Let's. I click.
Нажимаем.
Press.
Нажимаем. Вот.
Here the air went.
Пошел. Оп,
OP.
только один
There was
бабл.
only one bubble. OP. Planted.
Оп, зажал.
I managed. No, I did not have time. The air was bombarded. And that is when I press and something goes okay. The main thing is that the air comes out. Roughly speaking, we drive the liquid back and forth, but in this way air comes out. One, two, laugh, three. In general, everything was pumped 100%.
В общем, все прокачалось 100%.
In general, I press, the air does not come out. I already checked it 3 times.
Я нажимаю, воздух не выходит. Я уже так 3 раза проверил. Смотри.
OP, I waited a little, and he went out. The bubble came out. OP, squeezed. Then let's wait. The bubble is good. It was super small, super small. Let's press 3 more times, 3 times. But the motor, now I have already set the lid, you can't twist. You will start twisting the motor, pressure will go. And if it is twisted by the fitting and squeeze the bearing. 100% pumped. I will not even leave it for the night. She is pumped 100%. Now the liquid will go down. I will clamp the fitting and collect everything. Everything. Ready. Pumped. The liquid is going on now. All the liquid is returning. I close the fitting. And 100% everything is pumped. The level is what is needed. That's it, the box is ready for installation. With a pumped clutch. This is great. So, what? The moment of truth. So. Oh. So, press. Squeezed. Come on, I will conquer. It worked. Figure out. Works. Cooked. Really, at all without pumping. Everything is done cool.